Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to add a password to a Hytale server. Firstly, all you have to do is head over to Server.pro and then click on your server. Then, from the dashboard, make sure you stop your server. We recommend this before editing configuration files, just to make sure everything goes correctly. Once the server's stopped, find the files on the left drop-down menu. Then, select the config.json file. This will open the main configuration file for your Hytale server. Once you're there, all you have to do is locate the password setting. Then, inside the quotation marks, enter the password you want players to use. For example, I'm typing 123. This is where you should type the password in. Once you've selected the password though, save file and start your server up. Once the server is running, players will be prompted to enter the password when they attempt to join. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.